What's up everyone, this is Lexi with SYS Education. In today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're talking about how to make custom buttons in Canvas. This is part 2 of the series. Last week we talked about using HTML to create these custom buttons, and this week we're talking about using images to create them for external links. Check it out!
So as I mentioned earlier, there are some buttons that maybe don't work as well to be HTML buttons. So there is another thing you can do. This type of buttons I would say is better for external links so that it doesn't show up with that little icon I was talking about earlier. Or if you want a really more specific style, this could be something better. So what this actually is just using an image as a button. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my image here. I have one saved already. Just says button. And I'm going to say this is button to home page. And I'm not going to click this decorative image box because that means that it will not display alt text. So we're going to leave that unchecked. And I'm going to say submit, and now I'm going to have this very huge button. So I will explain while this is loading. I made this button in Adobe Illustrator, but you can also use any free design program like Canva or to make your own, or you can also just Google and pull an image from Google and use that as a button. That can get into some copyright issues. It doesn't usually matter if you're not using it commercially, but just keep an eye out for that. So I'm going to resize my button to a size that I want that looks a little more close to this button. And now it's just an image, but I can put a link on it by just highlighting it and clicking this link button here, and now I can link it to, let's just go google.com. Done. So now there's this link and it's on this image that is a button, but really only because we said it was a button, if that makes sense. And if I want to, I can click image options, and we can change the size or anything else, the alt text, anything like that, and just click done if you've made any changes. So I will save that. And now you can see that this shows up and it just looks like a normal button. But what it is an image with a link on it. So those are 2 ways to create buttons in your Canvas page. The HTML version can be a little more accessible, a little more useful in that sense. But using an image as a button can work for you if you need something a little more customized, or you just don't want to use the HTML. So there you have it.
All right, everybody, I hope you found that helpful. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below, and tune in next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday.